Hi, my name's V, and I'm the founder of Connect to Accountants, the place where people come to learn financy stuff in an easy to understand way. Have you heard of the phrase, just put it on my account? People use this when they might not have the money to pay someone on the spot. But what exactly is an account, and how does it work? I'm going to explain it in the easiest way. Let's say you go and you buy a coffee and you ask the cafe worker to put it on your account. What this means is that they'll put it down on a note to say that you've bought this coffee but you haven't paid and therefore you owe them $5. We need somewhere to record this, so let's put this in a box. A green box that means $5 is owing. This could be the IOUs from customers. So this is the account. How about if you come back the next day and you give this cafe worker $5? Well, your IOU is complete. The IOU account should be zero because what's happened is they've recorded $5 as an IOU, you've paid that $5 and now that should be zero. The thing is, if the account has just one compartment and we put in the IOU and then take it out when it's done, it's like it never existed. Instead, to record things properly, we should have one section that keeps a record in there, and then one section that minuses, that takes away the amount. This is to record when things go up and when things go down, with the total of the account being what the two add up to be. So, +5 minus 5 is 0. So there's nothing remaining in the account. Accounts having two parts also works well because these accounts handle other things that might happen in a business. Say you have an IOU of $5, but then the next day, instead of paying your $5 to clear out the IOU, you instead give whatever is in your pocket, which happens to be $3. If an account only had one compartment to organize the ups and downs, it gets really messy. With the account split in two parts, two compartments, you can easily file the $5 IOU and the coming reduction of $3, thereby meaning that this IOU account has $2 remaining to be paid. So that's an account. It's just simply something that holds information, usually financial information for a specific thing, like an IOU. It may hold cash, it may hold sales, and it's split between the increases in an account and the decreases. The total of an account is the amount in the two compartments added up together. This is also known as a balance. Having accounts help people track things. So that's it. That is an account. I hope you enjoyed this video and don't forget to comment below.